Huddersfield. If you're leaving us here, please take a few moments to make sure you have all of your belongings with you, including any chargers or cables you've been using throughout your journey today. Please mind to step down from the train onto the platform and retain your tickets, as they will be required to exit through the barriers here at Huddersfield. For those of you leaving us here, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us today, and I wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Once again, we're now arriving into Huddersfield.
Shortly be arriving at Huddersfield. If you're leaving the train, take a moment to check you have everything with you. Don't forget any bags or cases in the luggage racks or under seats, and retain your tickets as they may be required if exiting this station.
We are sorry that your journey has been delayed. You can claim delay repay compensation if you have been delayed by over 15 minutes. Please visit tbexpress.co.uk to find out how to claim or pick up a form at a station. We are sorry that this service has been delayed today. You can claim delay repay compensation if your journey was delayed by over 15 minutes. Please visit our website to find out how to claim or pick up a form at a station.